So we're back. It's been about a week or so, so I got a few things hooked up, got a few lines hooked up, and got a few more parts. So we have a majority of the parts. We have the boot for the steering rack and the inner tie rods. My outer tie rods were good. I have the two sensors that are missing for the head. So once I figure out the drain, and I also bought the fitting for the drains for the turbo, so hopefully this works and I could, start the car and run it with no issues. Speeders are out. So I'm gonna start putting everything together and hopefully everything goes smoothly, and this is the main work for today. It should be a small little angle going down like that, so hopefully that's enough. So I'm gonna put it in, and hopefully I can start the car after that. So it looks like it's in. It still has a slight downward angle to the pan, so I'm hoping that's enough. So I'm gonna start working on the car, get ready to start up. So this is just to test the system. So far I have everything hooked up. I have to put the oil in, and of course I have to buy me a new clutch line because this fin is messed up, and the whole line actually. So back to this. I have this set up. It was running up the same wiring that I use for the electric power steering pump. So it should have a relay in between it and everything. So I have this wire. It just janked up to make sure we test. I have the ground here for the body. The wire is long enough to run into the car, so that won't be a problem, as I will be installing a new fuse box. Here you go. This one is the next upgrade I'm doing. Of course, there's always something, but for right now, turn this on. Sending power to the pump. You can't hear it, but it is making noise, it is moving, so that's good. I tell you, at times like these, you gotta be a little bit cautious, because I have everything in here. I don't forgot to put oil in the car, so I just finished doing that. Whew, that would be a problem. I checked for oil, I checked for gas leaks, and I just disconnected the dizzy, so I'm trying to build up oil pressure. Hopefully that goes by smoothly and I don't have any problem. Okay, now we want to start. Okay, well, more testing. So today was a hard day. Like nothing worked. Absolutely nothing worked. So right now I had to put the original ignition back in because the push start wasn't working. I don't know why. It wasn't recognizing the key. The fuse box wasn't working. The battery's half dead. So I'm charging everything up. It's like 90 degrees now. I was like, I'm just wrapping up. So yeah, but overall, I'm gonna try this again tomorrow. Hopefully the battery is charged by then. Everything is good to go. Now I gotta sit here stressing myself out. So I have everything on. The ground is on. Alright. Hopefully the starter is good. I tested outside to see if it was working. The battery is charged up. Just overlook to make sure nothing is crazy and out of the way. That isn't going to cause an issue. All the sensors are connected, so let's crank it up. Yeah, I was trying to fix the steering column, so that's why there's tools everywhere. So let's try this now. Okay. Just checking the fuel, make sure everything is good, no leaks. Okay, 20 psi. Okay, I don't see nothing leaking. So that's a good sign. So the dizzy is disconnected, so it technically shouldn't start. That is started. So I'm trying to get everything in this fresh container. And I have to check to make sure there's no metal shaping. I'm sure there will be because this is the first oil change. So I'm sure there's gonna be something. I don't know how else is showing up on camera, but there's some stuff in here. So kind of expected this from the first oil change. So now I'm just put the new fluid in and start it up again. So this is some of the particles that's shown up in the oil. Like I said, the first one is kind of expected. I'm not sure how well it's showing up on camera. Okay, pretty good oil pressure, roughly, I guess, almost 80, 75. Check engine light is on. Okay. So this is the second oil change, and this one looks a lot cleaner than the first.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me,